What does the piggy say? That's what the piggy says? What does the piggy say? What's the cow say?
Moo.
What does the sheep say?
Quack.
What does the cat say?
Cat.
No, the kitty cat.
Meow.
What does the duck say?
Quack.
What does the dog say?
Ooh, ooh.
What does the puppy say?
Puppy.
What does the wolf say?
Good, good.
The wolf does not say g g g g g. What does the wolf say? What does the horse say? What does the monkey? What's the monkey say?
Ooh, ah.
Good job. What does the bird say?
What?
Tweet tweet.
Choo, choo, choo.
What does the whale say?
Hey.
The blue whale. What's the blue whale say?
Happy.
What does the elephant say? With the trunk? There you go. What does the tiger say? What's the lion say? Hey, what's the piggy say?
Wait, wait.
That's right. Wheat, wheat, wheat.
Go.
What does the lizard say? Good. What does the bunny say? Close. It goes. What's the kangaroo say?
Bubba.
Bounce, bounce.
Did you say a lizard?
What's the porcupine say?
Poke.
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 Do you remember what the urchin says?
Ouch.
That's right. He gets poked and go, ouch. What does the turtle say?
Toad.
Doiky, doiky.
Quack, quack.
Oh, that's the crab. What does the crab say?
Quack.
Crab says, you're getting pretty good at those. What does the bear say? What's the bear say? What's the bear say? What's it say?
Good, good.
Does,
Hey, baby.
wow, 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 wow. Riza, what does the eagle say?
Ew.
The eagle? It says. Okay, last one. What does the chicken say? Chicken?
Cheek.
Cheep, cheep, cheep. Good job. Cheep. It also goes bark, 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 bark. Bark, 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 bark. That's a pretty good try. High five. All right.